It's now time to bring you a sticky sweet treat.
Aya, Colette, Malloy, Gwen, Stacy, Mika, Joanna, Sheena, Beanie,
Minsan ay nahuli sa sarili na nag-aalala. Mga bagay na di kontrolado, pinoproblema. Pero teka lang, meron bang humahabol sa'yo? Di naman dapat magtuloy ng pagtakbo. Sino ba nagsabi na kailangan umunahin? Di naman ito karera. Pwede magdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di karera. Minsan kinalimutan mo na sandali, kailangan ng saglit. Di kailangan magmadali para magmuli, unti-unti. Wala namang humahabol sa'yo. Di naman dapat magtuloy ng pagtakbo. Sino ba nagsabi na kailangan umunahin? Di naman ito karera. Pwede magdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di karera. Maraming beses na mabalari pa tumayanan, wala sa mundo madaya. Ano nga ba, sino nga ba, ikaw ba, ako ba? Hinanong mo bahala-hala.
Yeah, huwag ka nang maniwala sa paniniwala na dapat makipagunan sa karera. Kung wala namang karera, dahan-dahan lang. Kaya na sa lang.
Sabi na kailangan maunahin, di naman ito karera. Pwede magdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay
What's up, G-Fest? Grabe, nakakamiss yung ganito. Nakakamiss mag-perform. We miss you, Blooms! Thank you so much. So warm welcome. Grabe, na-miss nyo ba kami? Thank you so much, Glow, for making this happen. Grabe, ang dami nyo. Hi sa mga nasa likod. Hello po. Okay, bagong lahat, babati muna kaming girls. Game.
2, 3, mabuhay! What's up? It's Joanna!
Hey everyone, it's Aya. What's up? I'm Stacy.
Hi everyone, I'm Gwen.
Hi guys, I'm Sheena.
Hey guys, it's Mika.
Hi, I'm Maloy.
Hi guys, I'm Colette. And we are
Beanie.
Happy G-Day, everyone, and thank you so much to Globe for having us to be a part of and their family. And we hope that you guys enjoy. And always remember to stay safe. Make sure that you're not hurting anyone in the process. And mag-ingat lang po kayo. Thank you for having us and mag-enjoy po kayo.
Ang sweet. Sobrang sweet naman ang boss ni Mika today.
Pag nagtatagalog kasi, minsan nagiging sweet eh.
Alam niyo, to be honest, hindi namin in-expect na ganito kalaki yung crowd. Kasi kanina nung soundcheck, di ba, parang nandito pa lang. Tapos, grabe, paglabas namin ng stage.
Parang nga siyang naka-close, di ba?
Oo.
Yung kanina, as in
Akala ko
sobrang,
rin.
oo. Sobrang konti lang ng tao.
Ang dami pa lang nating mga ka-Globe family. Yes.
Yeah, but now, let's continue with our next song. For sure, most of you guys, alam na to, and alam naming Burmans na, pero we will bring you the heat! Ready na ba kayo? Okay, ready? Let's go! Let's go! Everyone, we all want you to clap your hands. Let's go! Clap! Hey! Clap! 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 Louder! Hey! 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 Now, come on. Let's sing with us, okay? Bawat araw na sumasaya, nawawala ng pangangamba. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Can't wait to go back with you. Let's go! Pantropico, Pantropico, Pantropico. One more! Pantropico, Pantropico. Pantropico, Pantropico. Go! Woo! Ikaw ay nasa laya, sa tingin ako ng panahon. Lumapit ng lulaan, para bang di nagkataon. Labay tadhana, tangi kong hiling sa mga dala. Napintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo.
Princess, walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world.
Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ay pag-ibig na. Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. The music mas masaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag-ikay kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinanama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw sumasaya, magmulang makita ka. Nawawalan ng pangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you, parang islang pagtropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pagtropiko. Sa islang pagtropiko. Sa islang pagtropiko.
On a tropical island, sitting on a white sand. Guess I fell in love with you. Cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. You could be my baby, I could be a lady. Oh, oh, oh.
Di na mawala ng kilig, nag-ready yan. Kasi para bang di mo mapipili. Kumakabog o humihinto, gumugulo ang puso ko sa'yo. Following your footprints in the sand, to walking with you on this island. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shit! Ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinanama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Let's go! Bawat araw sumasaya, magmulang makita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you, parang islang pagtropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pagtropiko. Tropiko, tropiko, sa islang pagtropiko. Tropiko, tropiko, sa islang pagtropiko.
Grabe.
Alright! Grabe naman yung energy inside here! Parang yung iba hindi pumunta dito ng ano. May mga pumunta dito morning pa? Wow! Grabe yung energy nyo. And guys, akalain nyo almost in 2 months, mag-1 year na yung Pantropiko. And it feels like yesterday lang na kaka-release lang ng kantang to. And ang amazing lang kasi mag-1 year na, pero yung energy, yung nabigay niyo sa amin na energy until now, grabe pa rin. So, grabe, hindi kayo nauubusan ng energy, guys. And thank you so much for that.
Wow, wait lang. May nakita ako. Jo, it's me, Joanna! Hello! Sayang, di kita mapapag-sample today. Malayo ka sa akin. Pero, ayan, upo daw yan. Sorry, pero nice meeting you. Kamusta ba yung mga nasa likod? Wow! Nakikita nyo naman, ayan, may LED tayo. Meron ba dito manonood ng Grand Beanieverse? Wow, ang daming nakasecure ng tickets. Grabe na, 3 days tayo magsasama ulit. Excited na ba kayo? Naku, madaming pasabog. Madami talaga. We are currently working sa magiging, alam mo yon, Grand Beanieverse natin. Pero, mag-focus muna tayo dito dahil our next song, kakalabas lang namin ang dance practice nito. Napanood yun na ba? Yes. Alam nyo ba, fun fact lang, na sobrang laking opportunity nun sa amin dahil yung dance practice nito, we shot sa Steezy Studio sa LA. And yun, before kasi nakikidance class lang kami sa account ni Coach Matthew.
Shout out.
Shout out to you, Coach Matthew. Yes, pinagda-dance class niya kami doon kasi grabe, parang everyone's dream ang makatungtong sa Steezy Studio. And di ba, nakapag-shoot tayo ng dance practice natin. Ano kaya tong next song namin? May idea ba kayo?
The Coconut na.
The Coconut Nut! Guys, hindi na agad si Mika. Uy, magpe-perform tayo. The Coconut Nut? So are you guys ready?
I think they're ready.
Yes, oo. The energy is giving.
Yeah.
Come on, you can sing along with us and dance with us, pero walang tatayo, everyone.
Kalma.
Let's go!
My presence is a person. Talking French, I keep you guessing. Know you got a little candy crush. Be careful 'cause you never get enough. Every day, celebrate you with me. Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, yeah. If you want it sweet, the sugar on lock. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a bee, got you buzzing round me. Sticky, sweet, see as it can be. Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Cherry, I'm so berry, rainbow cotton candy. What's the glamour, tripping, Jonah, oh, just so fancy. You can deny, no, you can deny. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top.
I'm a sight for sorry eyes. One look and you're paralyzed. Dancing in the disco lights. I've been doing this all my life. Cinnamon swirl, I twirl. Not your average girl. Got you clutching the pearls. 'Cause you know who run the world.
Every day, celebrate you with me.
Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, yeah.
If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a bee, got you buzzing round me. Sticky, sweet, see as it can be. Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. CHERRY, good ingredients are hard to find. CHERRY, there's no going back, no, once you try. If you want it sweet, the sugar on lock. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a bee, got you buzzing round me. Sticky, sweet, see as it can be. Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. CHERRY, good ingredients are hard to find.
Okay. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Dapat lang. Okay. So, aware naman tayo na kanina is nagpo-workshop yung coaches namin. And, may 3 outstanding workshoppers na makakasama namin dito sa stage para sayawan ang cherry on top. There are three outstanding dancers. So, where are they?
Sino yan? The top 3. Ayan!
Sino?
Hi po!
Ay!
Hello, hello! Urbini po, hello.
Hello!
Ready na po ba kayo makisayaw? Sa ulo nyo po ba? Hala!
Alam, parang pinag-isipan pa nila.
So ready na po ba kayo?
I think they're ready. Ready na po ba kayo?
Yes.
Paano ang ready? Paano yung energy ng ready? Wow! Wow!
How about you?
Ay, wait lang.
Sobrang ready!
Sobrang
ready!
Go, go, go!
Go, go, go!
Okay. I think, yes, they're ready. Let's go!
Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, yeah. If you want it sweet, sugar on
bakit sila din ang napili. Give na give ang facials, ang on point lahat. Bongga.
ano din?
Feeling ko nga di ako mananalo if ako yung nandun eh.
I
Wait
think
lang.
I think nila yun.
Sige, ganito. Dahil spot na nila yung kanina, ulitin natin for the second time, pero sasayaw din tayo. Okay?
Na-starstruck kasi kami.
Oo, napanganga na lang kasi kami. Ang galing nyo.
Back-up dancers.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Go.
Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. If you want it sweet, sugar on lock. If you want it spice, kicks turn the heat up. Baby in the cake, better know what you got. Cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey on repeat, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as I can be. Baby in the cake, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. C-H-E-R-R-Y. The ingredients are hard to find. C-H-E-R-R-Y. There's no going back, no, once you try. If you
Wow! Palakpakan naman natin sila, everyone!
Thank you, Blue!
Salamat po!
Thank you po.
Thank you sa
Nice
energy
meeting
niyo.
you.
Thank you! Eto na.
Grabe yung energy nila. Parang kailangan natin silang Grabe yung energy nila. Parang kailangan natin silang tapatan sa next song. Okay. Okay. For our next song, this is our last song, by the way. For our next song, so ito, feeling ko dito talaga sila kakanta. Kasi ang daming adlibs ng song na to eh. Dito yung party scene na favorite ng lahat. About sa crush pa. So, yung may mga crush kayong dinadala dito, kantahin nyo to for them. Okay? Ready na ba tayo, girls? Ba't kinakanta? Next song na. Let's go! Walang gumagalaw. Pag alam nyo tong kantang to,
Yes, sing
you can
along with
sing
us,
along with us.
Blooms!
Ang looking misteryoso, di pa rin mabasa yung tunay na motibo. Ibang pinapakita, taliwas sa iyong salita, pero ayokong magduda baka nagsasimula. Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan, sana ay maibsan ang aking pagmumulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba Madingding na sarap pag-ibig. Salamin, ilan niya ako
Thank you so much, Globe, once again for having us tonight. Thank you to everyone who came. Thank you, our Blooms, for coming.
Yes, we're so grateful to be part of this experience with you. And Globe, thank you so much, Globe.
Yes, and sa mga nakasecure ng tickets, magkita-kita tayo sa concert. And meron pa tayo isang concert na magsasamahan sa ASEA Music Fest.
Yes.
So kung sino man po nakabili ng tickets doon, makikita ulit namin kayo doon. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Salamat, Blooms. Alam namin yung iba sa inyo. Kanina umaga pa dito, yung iba wala pang kain. Maraming salamat po. And thank you for spending your day with us. Kahit na dapat nasa family nyo kayo, maraming salamat po. Again, we are Bini! 2, 3!
Thank you po!
Thank you, Globe.
Salamat, Blooms!
Walang magtutulakan po mamaya.
Ingat po kayo, please!
Ingat po, Pawe. Thank you, Bloom.
Thank you, Globe! Salamat, Globe!
I love you all! Mwah!
We love you.
Ingat po.
Ampey, take care.
We love you!
Guys, ingat.
Upo!
Isa
Upo
pa
po.
raw, guys.
Upo!
Isa pa raw.
Isa pa?
Isa pang goodbye.
Gusto nyo ba kahit isang chorus lang ng ano? Huwag muna tayo muli.
Go.
Oh. Lagi gusto nyo. Sige. Okay lang po,
Wala kaming
acapella,
music.
acapella.
Wala kaming music.
Okay. Ready? Okay, quiet. Kakantayin natin na acapella dahil, yes. This is for you! Okay. 5, 6, 7, go!
Lagi nang umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi nang napapasabi, mahal kita mula umaga. Mukhang malala na hanggang gabi pauwi. At bago matulog ng mahimbing, naiisip kita lagi-lagi.
Thank you! Salamat, Blooms. I hope we made you happy. Again, we are...
Bini!
2, 3!
Thank you po!
Bye-bye! Ang alaw ng misteryoso, di pa rin mabasa